Hi, I am Jane. Welcome to this video from our Digital Tips channel. Today we will go through some everyday ideas and tips to help you select the perfect holiday. Whether you're planning a tropical getaway, a winter magical experience, or an urban exploration, you will find helpful practical advice to support your choice for any occasion. Choosing a holiday can be an exciting, but sometimes overwhelming task. This is because often you need to carefully select a destination according to several aspects. As usual, we focused on the practical details in order to provide you with ideas you can put into practice in your daily life. Let's see together the main aspects so you can be prepared for your next travel adventure. First of all, you need to understand how many people will come with you. Are you going by yourself, with one or a few friends, or a fiancé? Or with many people? This decision will determine all the aspects of your vacation. In any case, you can find the best solution accordingly. After deciding if you are going alone, with one person, a few people, or a large company, your next step should be thinking about what kind of holiday you would like to have. For instance, is it a chilled vacation on the beach? You want to explore a fascinating area on the hills? Or is it a travel to uncover the traditional culture of an ancient civilization? Think hard on what you would like the outcomes of this time should be, and you will have your answer. Planning your vacation budget might seem a complicated and frightening task. However, there are realistic strategies you can use to keep a handle on your spending and enjoy the time. For example, you might turn to one of the Google spreadsheet templates. They are included in your free Google account. To access these templates, just open your account, click App Google, and select Sheet. Now, select the template most suitable for you. I recommend the monthly budget one, but you may browse through all the templates to find the best solution for any occasion. Don't worry if this template budget is called monthly, just customize it according to your specific needs and preferences, and in a few minutes it will become a perfect travel budget. It is already set up with formulas, entries, and charts. This will save you tons of time. Now that you have decided the kind of holiday you wish for, the number of people participating, and prepared your budget, you are all set to plan your trip. Start with the destination. Do you already know the state or the country you want to visit, but you are looking for inspiration on the exact spot? In this case, there are several helpful tools to make up your mind. For instance, do you want to visit the state of Florida in July? You can start typing that in Google, Bing, or your favorite search engine. You might already find the perfect place to visit, with detailed suggestions. Quick tip, if you are typing in Google, you can also add Google Maps to get a better grasp of the surroundings of the selected area or city. Just type the name of the location you selected in the search bar and move around the map with your mouse, trackpad, or fingers on your smartphone. Another example of a tool that can come in handy in this case is ChatGPT. Are you planning to go to Spain in August for your travel experience, but are not sure about the city or area? Just ask ChatGPT, the AI system developed by OpenAI, and you will get several amazing ideas. If you are unfamiliar with Google Maps or ChatGPT, we got you covered. Watch our videos about these specific tools to learn using them. Before going anywhere, it's better to double-check your papers. There's nothing more frustrating than not being able to travel because you forgot a single document. Luckily, it's a quite straightforward process, and if you use Google or another search engine, it will be very simple. Let's see the fastest way to do it. Following the previous example, in case you want to visit Spain, type that in the search bar. It's a good idea to add your nationality and the travel reason as well, as you will find more tailored information. Always click on reputable links, such as government ones. For instance, in this case, official information is included in the featured snippet just below the search bar. This might be enough for your purpose. If you are not sure, click on the link and read carefully through the page. You will find several pieces of information that might be useful for your case. Would you like a tutorial on a specific topic? Leave your request in the comment. We will be happy to create a video about it. Flying is usually the fastest and cheapest way to reach your vacation place. Often, it is also the best option considering the luggage you are carrying. However, in some cases, you may not be able to fly to your final destination from your chosen airport without a layover elsewhere. Sometimes, picking another airport instead of the closest one can really make the difference and help you save up. Let's see some great ideas to find the best flights. First, there are several comparison websites for finding cheap flights across the globe. You can either type your query in your search engine and then select one, or look for a specific website directly. For instance, one of the most famous and reliable comparison flight websites is Skyscanner. Using Skyscanner is simple and fun. Just type in the departure, destination, dates, how many people, and click search. Skyscanner will show you the list of available flights. On the sidebar, you can filter the results by layovers, duration, airlines, and more. On the top bar, you sort the results by price, duration, and more. Below the top bar, you have access to a quick filter where you can sort the flights by price, duration, and a combination of the two. Choose the solution most suitable for you and click Select at the right. You will land on a page where you can review your choice and select different travel agencies offering that route with the relative price. Choose the option you prefer and click Select. You will be redirected to the travel agency website of your choice, where you can select the most suitable solution and details. After selecting your solution, you can add some extra. If you are traveling with more than a small cabin bag, a personal item, you'll need to add one or more checked baggage for each flight. You can also add a cancellation policy to your flight. Choose the option applicable to you. When you are ready, click Next to complete the purchase. Sometimes, it is a good practice to compare the prices you get from the travel agencies found by Skyscanner with the prices you get from the official airline companies. Since Skyscanner allows you to see which airline company is offering that specific deal, it is a good idea to check its official website. Look it up on your search engine and compare the prices by selecting the same destination, dates, and options you chose in Skyscanner. Another famous comparison flight website is Kayak. Type it directly in the search engine bar. Kayak has very similar features compared to Skyscanner, but it has a larger set of accommodations choices. We will cover the accommodation part of our holiday guide in the next video. Stay tuned! It is often a good idea to protect your holiday experience with insurance in order to have carefree travel. There are several ways and solutions to get insurance for your vacation. Let's see some options. Did you know that you can compare travel insurance quickly? It is very similar to comparing flights with Skyscanner. Type in the search bar Compare Travel Insurance to Spain to follow up on our previous example. For instance, select Insure My Trip. Go to the right bar and fill out the requested information to see the plans and prices. Now, you will get a list with several options for your trip. You can refine the results on the left bar. Choose according to your needs. You can also sort the results by price, provider, rating, and more. Select the most suitable solution for you and click Buy Now. You will be redirected to the provider's website to complete the purchase. Now that you have decided on the kind of holiday you want, planned your budget, selected your destination, checked your documents, and bought your flights, you are ready to experience your next adventure. Enjoy! Stay tuned for more tips to book your perfect vacation. We will cover the accommodation chapter and more in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the subscribe button so you can receive more tips like this every week. See you soon. Cheers!